Howdy folks, welcome back to GoodVibes Van Channel. Back at you with another one today. Today we're going to be going through and doing some honeydews, fixing a few things on the van. As you know, every day in van life is not the same. Some days you want to lay around and watch movies, some days you have to work all day, and some days you get to do the honeydews, which is the fun part of things, fixing on your van. I hope you enjoyed the video today and come along with us and have a little positivity and maybe learn something, maybe even teach me something. If you do enjoy it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Smash that notification button and hit the thumbs up. And if you want to, go over to redbubble.com and check out our new merchandise channel. We just launched new lines of merchandise with Dexter and our new logo in it. Just look for GoodVibes Van Shop, GoodVibes Van, all one word. And folks, come along, let's have a good time today, and hope you enjoy the video. In van life, your duties is never done. You always got to figure out some way to fix things, to get things going again. Maybe patch a hole, fix a cabinet, fix a door, something like that. So today, we're going to be talking, not really talking about it, we're going to be fixing rust. What we're doing and what we're using today is going to be using this Flex Seal stuff right here. Not endorsed. Don't use my word. We're going to find out how it works together. So, stick around as we try to address some of these rust holes. You see in the side of the van here, I don't know if you can see that very well, got some rust issues going on. What that does is make it really cold in here, and with our diesel heater, it's making it chug along to where we're getting about 2.5 to 3 days out of a tank, when we definitely should be getting a whole lot more. So, it's gonna get a little dark on us here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna close off this gigantic gap. This here on the rocker panels, it's pretty bad here. As you can see down through here, it's a little bit more. I'll put some spray foam in. Nope, it's not gonna fix the problem, but temporarily it is. Stick around, I'm gonna get some pieces cut, and let's see how it works out.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
All right, folks. Here we go with the finished product. At least it's sealed. Like I said, it ain't the best job in the world. It ain't the worst job in the world. But I'm happy with it. You know, can't always be the best thing in the world, but hey, you gotta be ingenuity. What is the word? You know what I'm saying. You got to be mechanical minded and think ahead, think of problem solving all the time. All right, we're gonna move on down the road here and see what else we got to do. Alright guys, change of plans. We decided to find another parking lot, and because I haven't never did it before, I figure it's a good time to learn when it's a pretty day out. Learn how to put on snow chains. So, stick around with us and we're gonna figure this out together because I ain't never did it before.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy.
Alright folks, well that was a total waste of time. Turns out that they didn't fit. A guy bought them from off Craigslist, gave me the wrong size apparently. No big deal though. It's getting late in the afternoon, so we're about to go find us a parking lot. sit around, maybe put up some Christmas decorations and everything. Get it looking all nice in the Christmas spirit. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Come along with us, like, subscribe, smash that notification button. Check out our store over at redbubble.com. All right, folks, found us a parking lot to park for the night. Decided I'd do a little bit more things to the van. I got this here foam sound mat. Got this off Amazon. Just putting it over the back doors helps deaden the sound a little bit and provides some insulation factors to it. Cleans it up real nice. It's making it look good. So I'm gonna keep working on this, and then we'll get to some Christmas decorations. Stick around. All right. As you can see here, it's not too bad. I don't know if you can see it very well. Hopefully you can. Turned out pretty good. Got the diesel heater vent right there running in the back. Got this door done as well. This one don't look as good as that one, but it's a hair out of square. But it'll do. That's for sure. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us today with Good Vibes Van. Hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to putting out more videos, doing a little bit more here and there. Ooh, that sun's bright. But for right now, that's what we're gonna do. Maybe in the next video, we'll do some more cooking and maybe put up some Christmas decorations, but definitely gonna get the decorations done. Don't know if it'll make it in this video, but thanks a lot for coming along with Good Vibes Van. If you like it, hit that, smash that thumbs up, smash that notification button. Guys, be classy, be cool, be positive, and always be yourself. Have a blessed day, y'all. Peace.